Welcome to the To Be a Trader video series. Today we are going to look at the Wallet Manager. We are going to log into the account. All traders need to develop good trading strategies and good methods, work habits when you are trading in order to come out ahead of the game. On the To Be a Trader platform, there's several tools and several coins that you can trade at any given time on external platforms. The To Be Trader platform is not a trading platform. It's not a course. It simply records what you're doing so that it can create your analytics and create your ROIs and your net revenue so that you can stay on track and you get a true accounting of are you gaining or are you falling behind. So one of the tools, and you'll see on this one, we have 8 coins. And in my Bitcoin, I have a balance. In my Litecoin, I have a balance in my account because I've been trading. And I created an altcoin, and I have a balance in there. And there's different methods to trade, and everybody has a different philosophy. One of the philosophies is that you should never trade more than X percentage of your wallet amount. So if these are my balances in my wallets, as a good trader, I should make a decision on what's going to be my maximum trade amount. And depending on who you're following or who you're training with, anybody will tell you it's anywhere from 2% of your wallet account to 20% of your wallet account. That's a personal decision that you have to make. But to show you how the Wallet Manager works is if my balance in my Bitcoin trading account on the Bit7 platform is 0.08 of a Bitcoin, I need to determine what is the maximum I want to trade at any given time. And I would put that percentage here. And if I say I want to trade 10% maximum per trade, it's going to calculate it for me. And I have 10% in my Litecoin, and I'm only going to put 2% in my altcoin RM, and it's doing my calculations. I'm going to update this, and it will save that percentage for me until I decide to change it. You can access this several different ways now. I can physically go here and click and copy, and I could go to my Bit7 platform. I could go to Bitcoin, and I know that my next trade will be a maximum of there we go. And if I was ready to buy a trade, there's the maximum of my wallet, my 10%, and I could click buy when I'm ready to buy, and I haven't spent more than what I'm supposed to spend on my wallet. And you get that from here. The other place you're going to see it is if you go back to your master scoreboard, and I go to my Bitcoin, I will see it here. And this is just a view. I can't change my percentage from here, but I can, at any given time, copy from here and bring it over to the platform and copy it so that I'm not confusing the numbers, and it's there again. And you will see that for all of your coins. If I go to my scoreboard and I go to my Litecoin, I said I wanted 10%, and there's my number. I could choose that. And the philosophy is, what's the maximum that I'm willing to risk in any one trade? And it should be a percentage of your portfolio. Now, if you decide you want to change this percentage, you go back to Tools, back to Wallet Manager, and you change it to 2%. Because as your trading increases, as you get better at it, as you accumulate more Bitcoin, or more Litecoin, or any of your cryptocurrencies, the bigger this amount gets, the bigger this amount will get based on your percentage. So if you had 3 Bitcoins in here, 10% of 3 Bitcoins is a lot of money. 2% of the same thing is a lot smaller. So this is something that's flexible, and you change as you get better at what you're doing. So now I only want to risk 2% of my entire wallet, and there is my new amount. And I will update that, and it will keep it for me. I can go to my master scoreboard. I'll go to my Bitcoin, and at any given time, it will be there. Every time I enter a new trade, this figure will now change automatically. I will record my trades, and it will, based on all my trades, it will update this automatically, and I know what my maximum next trade amount should be. And that is how your wallet manager will work. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.